How to Fish with Josh Pickles. This is Josh, and he's about to go fishing. First off, have yourself a beer. The first step is to attach a hook to the line. This can be difficult. It seems Josh has gotten tangled up. Once you sort that out, be sure to attach a floater and your bait. Then you can cast off. But don't get your hook stuck on someone else. That hurts. I suppose that will heal, but for now you're fishing. Be patient though. Catching fish takes time. Oh my, he's caught something. Well, it seems Josh has caught himself a beer. That sure is lucky. You look pretty hungry. Do you have a better way to catch your dinner? No, Josh, I don't think that will work very well. Another beer will ease that frustration. Look at that. Josh has managed to catch himself some store-bought fish. Oh dear. Good night.